This is Dr. Jenny. I want to take a few minutes to show you how to animate a chart in PowerPoint. And just this right now, I'm using Wendy Standifer's PowerPoint and her Excel application. This is not one of the charts that she put in, but I'm going to use it to demonstrate how to do this. First of all, I have preset up my PowerPoint so that I have popular destinations here, and then I just put some notes in there that 81 tickets were sold. I'm going to click on the right, and I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going over here on the right, I'm just going to click, then, or on the left, I'm going to click paste. And you'll notice that by default, PowerPoint will bring it in using the right font colors for that go along with your theme, which I think is really nice. And now there's a few things I want to change. One is I want to get rid of that because I have popular destinations. And the second thing, if you'll notice, these are just not legible. So I'm going to go back to my home key here. I'm going to make them bold. I'm going to change a color, and I'm going to make them much bigger. I'll just keep clicking here until I think that I've got it where I want it. And so I kind of like that, so that looks pretty good. Now, just coming to this chart like this, it doesn't look too bad. We can see it. But what I want to show you here, and you probably don't even know it, that as long as these are hooked together, and just by dragging and dropping, if I go over here and I click on this and go John, Lisa, and Vivian, what's going to happen is you'll notice that the chart immediately changes. So as long as you link your data in PowerPoint, you can drive the changes in your PowerPoint, even in the display option, so you could show that. So now it could say, this is a salesperson's showing John, Lisa, and Vivian. Now I can go back and say, oh. Now let's talk about how we animate this. Because it's not animated, you'll just click to this. I can animate it and interact with it with this Excel, but I want to add some animation. So I click on animation. And right now, I have no animation. I have to click on the thing I want to animate. Then I'm going to say add animation. And maybe I want it to do a wipe. And I want the animation effect to be by elements in the series. So then what happens, it's showing me in preview, but it'll swipe across there. And then I want to add another feature. I'm going to insert here, and I'm going to add a shape. And I think I'm going to add a maybe a down arrow shape and show a shape right here that will draw your eye to that this was the most popular destination. And I can also animate it, add an animation, and I think I'll go to more emphasis, more interest effects, and have it float down. So now when I do my preview, if I go back here and do a preview, it's going to show that comes in, my charts come in with a number of tickets sold each, and my arrow drops down to show that this is the, it's going to bring your eye to it. And I could have it come up right in from the middle. I can add text to that arrow and group it or hover. But this is how you would animate a chart. And also, if you'll notice now, I can still do this linking. I can click this and show Lisa, John, and Vivian, which were pretty much my high sellers. And we can see that it still shows that Thailand and and Indonesia were the top selling destinations. So, but I didn't need that legend. And a lot of times I'll notice some of you are putting work in that'll show the legend. So hopefully looking at this will help you.